Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Blessings, blessings, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are doing okay. Anyway, I have some bad news, my wisdom warriors. I want to know, say, me have to put these things across. Anytime it come across. Missing is Kadisha White. She's age 15. Last seen in Limal District, St. Anne's on April the 23rd. She was last seen at home dressed in a white blouse, blue jean shorts, and a pair of brown slippers. An Ananda alert has been activated for 15-year-old Kadisha White of Limal District in St. Anne's, who has been missing since Tuesday, April 23rd. She is of brown complexion and medium build. Reports from the St. Anne's Bay Police are that Kadisha was last seen at home at about 9 o'clock. My viewers and subscribers, if anybody have seen this young lady, please feel free to call the St. Anne's Bay Police Station on 876-922-6441 or any other police station. Want to hear what me I say? Because our children is going missing rapidly. They're going missing. Also missing is 72-year-old Costly Mowat of Windsor District, Spanish Town in St. Catherine, has been missing since Thursday, April 18. He is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 175 centimeters, 5 feet 9 inches tall. Reports from the Spanish Town Police are that Mowat was last seen at home about 2 p.m. His mode of dress at the time he went missing is unknown. My wisdom warrior, this man, he's only 72-year-old. 72-year-old, and he gone missing. Nobody don't know where we're about. Nobody just don't know where him there. You understand? So many people going missing. We don't know what is going on in our country, really and truly, We don't know. But so much people is going missing. You know notice from the year start, from after February, I would say. Some go missing early January, but I think it was like after the election, a lot of people going missing, especially children, really and truly. But if anybody have seen this 72-year-old man, please call the nearest police station. Right now, my wisdom warriors, Trelawny Fire Department is very concerned about the bushfire. When I hear what go on, Trelawny Fire Department is very concerned about the fire them where happen all over Jamaica in the bushes them. Listen to this now. If them a people are the fire department, a fireman and firewoman, and them concerned about it, where them leave, we fi do. We are the citizens. So what we are going to do now, if them concerned, what they leave we fi do right now, this is a serious matter, This is a serious matter. If you don't notice, every bush is abundant in Jamaica for some reason. We don't know what is going on. How after sudden, a bush them a catch a fire so? That must have a reason. But let me read. The fire department in Trelawny is concerned about the escalating number of bushfires across the parish. We started with 8 in January, and to date, we are at 90. When I hear that, my viewers and subscribers, we started with 8 in January, and to date, we are at 90. Superintendent Roland Walter says to respond to these fires, put a strain on the officers. To put out a fire can take up to 3 hours. In one case recently, by the time the team reached back to the station, they had to respond to another. Walter said, you understand me? At least then we keep active. Anyway, I know some have to put in that little part there because majority of the time, they not really do much. You understand? Really and truly, them not really do much. Because when house abundant and this abundant, they ever take long. Most of the time, 99% of the time, they always reach people yard when time the house already burn out and turn in ashes. You understand me? That is the time them always reach. So at least this will keep them fit. And saying that, me I go say this. If them are the fireman and firewoman and them concerned what we the citizens of the country are going to do right now. You understand? Government need to look into these things. And them have to know what caused the fire, the root of it. Them have to get to the bottom of it. I do not know what go on. After a sudden fire all over. Fire. If an a house a burn down, a bush a catch a fire. How? Somebody a light the bush them? I do not know. Somebody a light the bushes them? My viewers and subscribers. This not look good, you know. This no look good for the country at all, these things, because if a fireman can come out and say them concerned, if them can come out and them say them concerned, what they left we fi do? Tell me what you think about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. The United States Immigration and Custom Enforcement, which everybody call ICE, the agency says, it is continuing to facilitate removal flights of single adults and family units to Jamaica and Cuba. You know the reason why I cover this, my viewers and subscribers, because a lot of people in the diaspora always listen to my channel. So when I see this pop up in the article, I say, all right, I come share it. Remember, you know, ICE conducts removal flights to Jamaica and Cuba. So I have to make you know what is going on. Anyway, I said those removal flights, which took place from April 22nd to April 26th, also included Brazil, Central America, Colombia, Ecuador, and Mexico. It did not specify the number of flights to Jamaica. But, I want to say what I go on right now. The immigration are removing people, sending back people straight to Jamaica. And I think a lot of people have a right to hear and know what is going on right now. My wisdom warriors, I get a hold of the special audit report for the tax administration Jamaica. So you know when it comes to the taxpayer money, it is very interesting. So you know I have to get a piece of something and explain to you and make you know what is going on. So in this special audit report, the key data established on April 1st, 2011 under the Revenue Administration Amendment Act 2011, the administration began operations on May 1st, 2011. Tax Administration Jamaica, TAG, is a consolidation of the Island Revenue Department, Taxpayer Audit and Assessment Department, and Tax Administration Service Department. Section 754 of the GOJ Asset Management Policy stipulates that the National Land Agency, which they call the NLA, must give written permission to MDA prior to entering into lease agreement. Additionally, the justification for leasing said property must include the advice of the Commissioner of Lands. In this special audit report now, this is the main findings. What they found take place as at August 2023, TAJ expended 15 million Jamaican dollar for the lease of a property in Owna Bay, St. Mary. TAJ did not receive written permission from the Commissioner of Lands. Una hear them something, my viewers and subscribers. In August 2023, the TAJ expended 15 million Jamaican dollar for the lease of a property in Owna Bay, St. Mary. Listen good. Then they did not receive written permission from the Commissioner. Listen, Remember, not too long, me just read out something and tell you, say, the justification for leasing said property must include the advice of the Commissioner of Lands, which the findings is showing that they did not receive written permission from the Commissioner of Lands prior to entering the lease agreement for the Owna Bay property. Una say wagwan, all right. Me tell you say when them ready for thief up taxpayer money. When them ready for thief up taxpayer money, I know nobody enough to say nothing about it. I feel with money, we have to talk about it. And we have all right to know who and who it a go to. You understand me? This is why them have the procurement guidelines in my viewers and subscribers. And that procurement guidelines, I said it need to be reviewed and changed because it a block too much things. It's blocking too much things. Anyway, I'm saying that the TAJ is yet to occupy property lease in Greenville, Mandeville. As at August 2023, TAJ expended a total of 356 million over the past 3 years. When you hear that, nearly 4 million, my viewers and subscribers. When I hear them something here, when I hear them something here, my wisdom warriors. So the 15 million for the lease of a property in another beer. Yeah, remember, there was no written permission or anything from the commissioner of lands prior to entering into the lease agreement. So what really got there so? What really happened there so? Tell we, Andrew Owna's administration, you need to tell me what happened. What happened right there so with the 15 million? You have some people saying Jamaica not have money. Jamaica have money. Una labor right. Una fi stop pick up for Andrew Wellness as well and stop talk about they not have money fi do this. They have money. They have a lot of money. Them have money. There's so much of taxpayer money them I use and I do land and I give to people. Una see that? Una see that? And then una get up and talk about Andrew Wellness. Jamaica not have money. Jamaica have money. But what is the government doing with the money? That is my question. What is the government doing with the money? There's a lot of things need to be done in Jamaica, There's a lot of things needed to be done. There's a lot of people need somewhere to live, need a home, need a meal. So what are we doing? You understand? There's a lot of things. Look at the hospital settings. Look at the healthcare system. The healthcare system is a failure and it needs upgraded. They need resources. They need equipment. So what I do with the money? It is alleged them a pocket the whole of the money, my viewers and subscribers and from me just read out to with that 15 million there. You understand? It's ridiculous. It is not fair. And these are the things Jamaican people have to understand and get some understanding and know say they might take a piece out of we and we have to rise up on them. We can't just allow them to do as them like. Because when we sit back and relax, them just keep pocketing our money. And that them a do. Them a get richer and richer and richer. And then the poor people, them a get poorer and poorer and poorer. And I like say the country not have money. The country have money. See, other day Nigel Clark collect how much million just for a few days ago. He collect how much millions. You understand? Out of insurance. So, really and truly, Jamaica have it. They have it. But the government don't care about the people. They don't care about the people. And they keep pocketing taxpayers' money every single time. Every single time them a pocket taxpayer money. This is unacceptable. It is really and truly unacceptable. My wisdom warriors, this is a very, very sad situation. Seriously, we just make them get away with everything. The people, me always tell the people, them say, you don't have the power in our no hand. Use it. You don't have the power in our no hands. But since there's nobody now come out and nobody now, everybody afraid because really and truly they say afraid, they afraid. You understand? They're scared. They're afraid to talk. Nobody, everybody afraid now. No freedom of speech not there anymore. Because people scared of Andrew Wellness. And that the people them a say, we're afraid in do this, we're afraid in do that, we're afraid in send man for we. That's what the people them a say. And it is a shame. And it is a disgrace to hear your people them speak like that. And at this a prime minister here we want to lead with. No, sir. We don't want you to lead with, brother. We don't want you to lead with at all. But my wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Me want to take in my Golden. Hear this.
Major difference between PNP and JLP strategies is that we prioritize investment in human capital through education, training, and programs to get youth at risk back on track, while this government is prioritizing building a brand new parliament for us politicians to make speeches in.
When me telling us say Andrew Wellness take taxpayer money and always are the foolishness. See, here where Mark Golden say Andrew Wellness a plan to build big old parliament when more important things in a Jamaica need to be done. Big parliament cost so much $1 billion. Me tell you about it from last year. Me don't know if you remember. Me come out and me talk about it and say why Andrew Holness is building a new parliament. It don't make no sense. Just to stand up and give speech. It don't make no sense. It's not a priority. So when enough people come out to chat about Jamaica and have Jamaica have money, see what Andrew Holness do with it. It cost $1 billion that the parliament there, you know. $1 billion it costs, you know. How much $1 billion, you know? My viewers and subscribers, Andrew Holness take taxpayer money. If he not pocket it, pure foolishness in do with it. Pure foolishness. While our healthcare system is suffering and we need equipment and we need resources. You understand what I mean? We need more important things in our country need to be done. Not building parliament for to make speech. You know? Mark Golden is so right. He is so right. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me how you feel about this, you know. For prime minister, you know. For prime minister build new parliament. While there's other things, more important things need to be done in a Jamaica. Want to tell me how you feel about that and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.